Hi folks, we've just found our next venue for our smartphone workshop. This is where we teach you how to shoot, edit, upload and share video content. And we've got Dave here from TooUp Sailing. It's going to be on his catamaran. Dave, tell us more about it.
Well, as you can see, TooUp is a beautiful 12-metre Fontaine Peugeot French catamaran. We can sleep 6 people, we can take 20. We'll be decked to all walk around on with 2 enclosed beautiful dining areas and flat screen TVs. We're really looking forward to seeing you on board.
So we've got only room for 15 people, and we're going to be cruising the harbour, getting content, photographing beautiful Sydney Harbour on the boat, cruising around, and then we're going to be coming back. It's a 2-hour exercise, a 2-hour workshop, and maximum is 15 people. So give us a call and let us know if you are interested.